Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Baloch, and in this video I will tell you that how to improve English. But before that, let me know that are you tired and exhausted of learning English for months and still not speaking confidently? It doesn't matter because I have solved this problem. Because this video is consist on 3 tips, okay? First one is start thinking in English. Let me tell you one simple story of my journey. Whenever I started learning English, I didn't know about anything. I just used to speak English, and sometimes I used to speak, sometimes I used to read, sometimes I didn't know where from should I actually start. Then I started knowing about this all. Then I knew that one thing is amazing which will help you, and this thing helped me, thinking in English. This thing helped me and still it is helping me. So what you have to do, you have to start thinking in English. Unless you think in English, you can't speak well. This is the basic and first stage of learning English. You haven't to translate sentences from Urdu to English in your head. You have, this is called indirect way. Okay, you have not to choose indirect path, indirect way for learning English or before learning something else. You have to choose direct way. Direct way is directly thinking in English. Start thinking directly in English. In this video, I'm not going to tell you just that how to think in English. I will also tell you that what to think in English. First day of your thinking. For example, I have a pen and I write with it every day. So if I have to start practice, just because of practice, I am going to talk about it. Its color is black, it writes well, and its thinking is something you must have heard this from multiple people's, multiple contact creators, that unless you think in English, you can't speak English well. So that's why start thinking in English from today. I will not tell you just that how to think in English. I will also tell you that what to think in English. Now, starting of everything will be very much difficult, especially of learning English. So let's see that if you will think in English, then how you will start it and where from you will start it. So see, for example, this is your first day and you are going to start your journey of learning English from thinking in English. So you have to take a pen and you have to think about that pen, that which kind of qualities are on that in that pen, which kind of bad qualities are in that pen, and then you have to talk about them. Does not matter how your grammar is, doesn't matter how you are making mistakes, that